Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, student, I am teaching you chapter number 16, and the name of the chapter is Season and Weather. Or name is Weather and Seasons. So, let do the recapitulation what we have done in our previous video. In previous video, student, we have completed question number A and B. We have completed book exercises. That is question number A. Tick the correct options and question number B. Fill in the blanks of the chapter. Okay, student. Today we will start from question number C. That is match the following. Two columns are given and we have to choose the right match of the given in column A. First one, winter. So, winter, spring, summer, monsoon, autumn. see, match the following. So we have to choose the right match. What is given this side? Winter, spring, summer, monsoon, autumn. Okay, and here this season brings rain. This season is very hot. The trees have new leaves. The trees lose their leaves. The days are very cold. Okay, now let's start with the first one, winter. So student, what happens in the winter? I already told you, in winter the weather is cold and people stay inside their houses so that they save themselves from the cool winds. And so in winter, what type of a weather we have, student? In winter we have cool weather. So what is the right match for the winter? The season brings rain. This is, trees have new leaves. The trees lose their leaves. The days are very cold, and this happens in the time of winter. So this is the right option. You make a line with the help of a scale. Okay, you match it with the help of a scale. Then spring. So what happens in the spring? In spring season is a short season, and it comes in the month of March, and this time you will see lot of flowers in the garden. Okay, so in spring season, what's happened? The trees have new leaves. The trees have new leaves, and this happens in the spring season. Now next, summer. Summer, you know student, summer is also known as the hottest season of the year. Out of the 5 seasons, the summer is also known as the hottest season of the year. So what happens in the summer? This season is very hot. Just now I told you that summer is known as the hottest season of the year. Now next is the monsoon. Student, monsoon season is also known as the rain season, because at this time water falls from the cloud in the form of a rain in different parts of the country. So what is a monsoon? This season brings rain. What happens in the monsoon? This season brings rain. Is it clear? Now next is what? Autumn. Okay, now what happens in the autumn? Autumn comes just बिफोर द विंटर, और मैंने ऑलरेडी आपको बताया था ऑटम सीजन को हम लोग पतझड़ का सीजन भी बोलते हैं, बिकॉज इन दिस मंथ एंड इट कम्स इन द मंथ ऑफ अक्टूबर, एंड इन दिस मंथ द प्लांट लूज देयर लीव्स, पेड़ों के पत्ते झड़ते हैं. ठीक है, सो व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर? ऑटम. द ट्रीज लूज देयर leaves. So note down this in your book, and after that student, now all of you take out your EVS classwork copy. All of you take out your EVS classwork copy, because question answers and diagram, both these question we complete in our classwork copy. So student, Page number 89. Question number D. Give a short answer to the following question. Give short answer to the following questions. Okay. And what is the question? What do you mean by weather? Weather is that condition which always change, time to time, hour to hour, day to day, month to month, and that is weather. Is it clear? So you can also take the screenshot of this, match the column question. With the help of the screenshot also you can note down in your book. Now write question number D. Give short answer to the following questions. Question number 1. What do you mean by weather? What do you mean by weather? Answer. What do you mean by weather? Note down the condition of atmosphere of a particular place So student, what do you mean by weather? The condition of a atmosphere of a particular place at a particular time is called it weather. Of a particular place, beta, of a particular place. Okay, so the condition of atmosphere द कंडीशन ऑफ ए एटमोसफेयर ऑफ ए पार्टिकुलर प्लेस, क्योंकि देखो सारी प्लेसेस का जो वेदर होता है वो अलग अलग होता है, ठीक है। समर प्लेन एरियाज में भी होते हैं और हिली एरियाज में भी होते हैं, लेकिन प्लेन एरियाज में जो होता है बहुत ज्यादा टेम्परेचर होता है, इट इज द हॉटेस्ट मंथ होता है। बट इन द माउंटेन्स एरिया समर में हॉट तो होता है, बट लू, द वार्म एयर विच ब्लोज इन प्लेन एरिया दैट इज नोन एज लू, इट डज नॉट ब्लो इन द माउंटेन्स एरिया। सो इसलिए बोला है द कंडीशन ऑफ ए एटमोसफेयर ऑफ ए पार्टिकुलर प्लेस एट ए पार्टिकुलर टाइम। ये नहीं कि पूरे प्लेस को कंसिडर कर रहा है, एज ए पार्टिकुलर प्लेस हो सकता है कि यहाँ बहुत गर्मी हो, वहां भी गर्मी हो, लेकिन वहां उतनी ज्यादा नहीं हो, इसलिए इसने बोला है द कंडीशन ऑफ ए एटमोसफेयर। एटमोसफेयर इज द लेयर ऑफ द अर्थ विच सराउंड द अर्थ। A layer, atmosphere is a layer of air which surround the earth. So the condition of atmosphere of a particular place at a particular time, क्योंकि मैंने ऑलरेडी आप लोग को बताया है वेदर क्या, हावर टू हावर, डे टू डे, मंथ टू मंथ, ये क्या चेंज होता रहे। सो स्टूडेंट, this is called it what? This is called it weather. Okay, now name the four things on which weather depends. Okay, question number 2, name the four things on which weather depends upon. So student, we always say that weather change every hour, day to day, month to month. Why there is change in the condition of a weather? So we have to give the name of four things due to which, on which weather depends. वेदर में जो इतनी चेंजेस होती रहती हैं, सो हाउ दिस इज पॉसिबल? दिस इज पॉसिबल, द फोर थिंग्स, नोट डाउन। Okay, so student, the four things on which weather depends upon are the sun, wind, clouds and rain. मोस्टली इन शॉर्टकट में समझो तो एवरीथिंग इज ड्यू टू द लाइट ऑफ द, ये फोर थिंग्स हैं जिसमें वेदर डिपेंड करता है. ओके, आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन यू. So what happened with all these things? Due to the light of the sun, what happens? The temperature increase. सन की लाइट से बेटा क्या होता है? टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज होता है. वाटर क्या इवोपोरेट होने लगता है. इन विच फॉर्म? गैसियस फॉर्म, जिसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? वाटर वेपर बोलते हैं. व्हाट वी से इट एज? वी से इट एज ए वाटर वेपर. ओके, एंड ड्यू टू दिस द मूवमेंट ऑफ द एयर टेक प्लेस. ड्यू टू दिस द मूवमेंट ऑफ द एयर टेक प्लेस, क्योंकि जो वाटर वेपर फॉर्म में चेंज हो गया वो गैस फॉर्म में चेंज हो गया. एंड व्हेन द वाटर चेंजेस इन द गैस फॉर्म, it becomes very light in weight and it start rising up, and when there it comes in the touch of a cold air, then what happen? This water condenses and again it change in the form of a tiny drops of water. Now what's happened? These drops of water form the clouds, and when this drop of water become very heavy, start coming on the ground in the form of a rain, and in the mountains area it also come in the form of a snow. So that is what I explained you earlier also, that is your water cycle, and all these things happens due to the sun. So how the weather changes? Due to the heat of the sun, temperature increase, water change into a water vapor, warm air rises up. So due to the sunlight, the movement of the wind take place, and after that, due to condensation, it forms the clouds, and after that the water come again on the ground in the form of a rain. So these are the four things upon which the weather depends, that is sun, wind, clouds and rain. Is it clear? Take a screenshot. What is hibernation? Give example. Question number 3. So student, firstly note down the answer, then I will discuss the answer with you. Some animals So, student, what happens? What is hibernation? It is the time of winter. So, what happens in the winter season? So, student, during winter season, some animal go to long sleep. For the whole winter season, they sleep, and this long sleep of the animals is known as hibernation. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बियर, लिजर्ड, जो आपके हाउस में होती है, ठीक है। देखो कोई आपको सर्दियों के दिनों में लिजर्ड देखने के लिए बिल्कुल नहीं मिलेगी। बियर तो चलो जंगलों में रहते हैं, ठीक है, या जू में आपने देख लिया, लेकिन दिस लिजर्ड यू कैन वेरी इजिली ऑब्जर्व इन वेदर यू आर एबल टू सी लिजर्ड्स इन विंटर और नॉट, और विंटर आने ही वाली है, ठीक है। सो यू कैन ऑब्जर्व दिस टाइम in your house, because all the time you are in the house, you are very free to observe this. Now see student, short question answer we have completed. Now let's start the long question answer of the chapter. And student, long question answer you will start from the new page. Write the date 16/10/2020 and then start the long question answer of a chapter number 16. So from the new page you will start. Now question number, long question answer. What do you mean by water cycle? Explain with the help of a diagram. Okay. So we have to explain this with the help of a diagram. Okay student, before doing uh, before doing long question answer of the chapter, first of all you note down what diagrams you have to draw. See, open page number 84. Open page number 84. See, the diagram of water cycle is given. The diagram of water cycle is given on page number 84. So student, you have to draw this diagram in your classwork copy. Is it clear? You will draw this diagram in your classwork copy. That is what? Water cycle. Now, before writing the answer, let's discuss what is a water cycle. So, due to the heat of the sun, what happened? The air heated by the sun. Due to the heat of the sun, what's happened? Water changes in the form of a vapor, which we say water vapor. And this is which form of water? This is gaseous form of water. So due to the heat of the sun, water change into the water vapor and it rises upward and carries water vapor. Okay. Now what's happened? When these water vapor come in touch with the cold air या cool airs, then again this water vapor change in the form of a water, and this process is known as, student, condensation. In this process, water vapor changes into water. So due to condensation of a water vapor, it again change into a tiny drops of water, and these tiny drops of water join together. Okay, these tiny drops of water join together to form the clouds, and when these clouds become very heavy, then it start coming in the form of a rain again back to the ground, and in mountain area even it come in the form of a snow, and this complete process is known as water cycle. Okay, student, so today we have done discussion of what is a water cycle. Now thank you, student. In the next video we will write the answer of this question, that is long question, what is water cycle. Thank you, student.